I first met Josie when she was a 16-year-old high school student, and she came in to me because she was having back and neck pain. But during our consultation, she also pointed out that these things were interfering with her sleep. And I asked, well, tell me more about the sleep. And she described a situation where she was not going to sleep when she went to bed for 3 or 4 hours. I said, 3 or 4 hours? How long has this been happening? She goes, well, as long as I can remember. I said, wait a minute, like since elementary school, since earlier? She said, yeah, that's how it's always been. I go to bed, and then it's 3 or 4 hours before I actually fall asleep. I said, whoa. So we dug in a little deeper on her history for sure, but then during the examination, I found real specific subluxations or interferences with her nervous system that may have been contributing to this. We created a plan for her. She followed that plan very diligently, and I was amazed, and so was she, that within a week, she was able to fall asleep almost immediately upon going to bed. And that never changed since then. Now, sleep is one of our most fundamental things that we need to be able to do to be healthy, vibrant, productive human beings. And our spine and our nervous system can absolutely impede our ability to do that well or support our ability to do that well. And that's one of the things at Bright Futures Chiropractic that I've had the most fun, some of the most enjoyable things is to see people be able to sleep more appropriately and better, even though they may not have known that the way they were sleeping wasn't serving them well. So we can identify the subluxations, we can identify the issues that are going on, and whether it's sleep or some of the other fundamentals, it's awesome to see those things get better through chiropractic care. I'm Dr. Chris Grier. Keep your fundamentals in mind, go out there and enjoy the day, and I hope to see you soon.